Hello everyone. All of you are aware of how is normal resident treated so far as computation of domestic or national income is concerned. Now we shall move ahead and try to find out the concept of normal resident as given by Foreign Exchange Management Act under RBI rules. First, understand the concept and then answer the question based on it. Now, let us understand RBI rules through Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. According to this act, a person resident in India means a person residing in India for more than 182 days during the course of the preceding financial year, but it does not include a person who's gone out of India or who stays out of India in either case. That is, for or on taking up employment outside India or for carrying on outside India a business or vocation or for any other purpose. In such circumstances as would indicate his intention to stay outside India for an uncertain period. This clause prescribes that a person shall be considered a person resident outside India, irrespective of his residence period in India. In the previous financial year, when he is gone out of India for employment, for carrying business, or for any other purpose that indicates his intention to stay outside India for an uncertain period. Then comes clause B. As per clause B, a person who has come to India or stays in India for any purpose other than for employment in India or for carrying a business or vocation in India or for any other purpose in such circumstances as would indicate his intention to stay in India for an uncertain period. Now, this clause prescribes a person shall be considered as person resident in India, irrespective of his residence period in India in the previous financial year when he has come to India for employment, carrying business, or any purpose which indicates his intention to stay in India for an uncertain period. One needs to understand that the status under Foreign Exchange Management Act changes instantly when a person either leaves the country with an intention to stay out of India for uncertain period of time or comes to India with an intention to stay here for indefinite period of time. He is considered as non-resident if the stay in India is less than 182 days during the year. But as soon as you leave India to take up employment outside India, you leave the country with an intention to stay outside for an indefinite period. If you come back to India to take up employment or start a business or spend retirement years in India, you will be considered as resident. And you become resident on arrival in India under all these circumstances. So the residential status instantly changes under FEMA. I hope you have understood the residential status of any individual under Foreign Exchange Management Act. This question is based on FEMA and the question is, Prateek stayed in India for 150 days in the financial year 2019 to 20, but came to India in February 2021 to start a business. Under FEMA, Prateek will be considered as option A, non-resident, because he stayed in India for less than 182 days in 2019-20. Option B, resident, because Prateek stayed in India for 150 days, which is a sufficient condition for residency status. Option C, resident because he intended to carry on business in India. And option D, non-resident because starting a business in India does not affect the residency status. So place a tick mark on the correct option. Please check your answer. Option C is correct. Prateek is considered as a resident under FEMA because of his intention to carry on business in India, implying that his stay will be for an uncertain period. Under Foreign Exchange Management Act, a person is considered a resident in India if he has stayed in India for more than 182 days in the preceding financial year. But there are exceptions to this rule. One such exception is that if a person comes to India for the purpose of employment or carry on business or vocation or for any other purpose that indicates their intention to stay for an uncertain period. In this case, even though the person has stayed in India for only 150 days in the preceding financial year, his intention is to start a business and it meets the criteria for residency under FEMA. So, Prateek is considered as a resident. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just rupees 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.